Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a movable text. It's really easy to do and you can do it in any editor. I am going to be showing you guys how to do it in Premiere Pro because that is the editor that I use. But again, you can do this in any video editor. So first I'm going to add a background to my video, so it's just an image, and then I'm going to add my text in. So I just wrote in Manique here. I'm going to change the font to what I want it to be, and then all you have to do is basically move the font around where you want it. So you'll move it to different sections. So you want to copy that text and then you can move it to another space. If you put the text on top of each other, they'll show up in the same frame, but of course they're going to be in different locations because you already moved them. If you want them to slowly show up in the scene, then you would just adjust how they enter the frame by just moving the text or shortening the text in your editor. Once you do that, you'll get the effect of the text popping in the frame or out of the frame. And that is how you get that effect. The next movable text effect I'm going to be showing you guys is the one that I did in one of my intros. For this effect, you don't need as many text lines as I had in the previous effect. You just need 2. And what you want to do is make one of the texts bigger than the other one. So one will be smaller and one will have a larger size. So once you have your smaller text, you have your bigger text, all you're going to do is keep alternating those 2 frames and you'll get the pop in, pop out effect on your text. The shorter the frames are, the faster the text will look like it's popping in and out. So I hope this tutorial was pretty helpful and something that you guys can use in your videos. I will be having a lot more tutorials coming out, so stay tuned for those, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.